Well, this week something different. We're gonna go to a mate of mine who's gonna play the Jurks Cup 4 build, the Yamaha SG. So, first things first. 112 members. I say thank you to all my followers. And now we're gonna go to the demo.
Snaren ligger daar op.
11.
Dat vind ik het mooiste. Deze niet, nee.
Nee? Ja. Nee, dat volume dus, hè?
Ja, deze.
Ja. I'd like to thank Will Opstals for playing on my Sutar SG2000, and I hope you enjoyed this demo. That was my Jurks Cup 4 build, all completed. The pictures are on the Jurks Cup site, and the videos are on the Jurks Cup YouTube site. And now I have this demo, so I enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed it too. And to those still building, I would like to say, enjoy your build and make some wood dust. And I will say, enjoy your builds and have fun, and seeing you all again the next time. Bye.